Leaders. They change things. They move us all forward. In any industry, you'll find these believers who go beyond numbers, who act purposefully, who disrupt entire industries. The aluminum industry has a great impact on our planet. When using low-carbon technology, it's about legacy. It's about keeping our planet safe for the next generation. Low-carbon footprint technology is what distinguishes the new industry from the old, the future from the past. But it's not about technology. True leadership means fostering collaboration and embracing sustainability as a core value. Attracting governments, businesses, and communities to work together to drive change and create a brighter, cleaner future. This is our legacy, for which history will thank us.